Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on a 2018 VW T6 Caravelle. It's got an airbrush bracket built into it. This thing is fully loaded. So it's got a Webasto heater, which we found out by looking at the door sticker. It's got a ThermoTop Evo installed. Now the only thing about the Evo is that from factory it doesn't give you that remote heating option, and that's what we've been doing today. So hopefully you can see this here. We have been we're using a genuine Webasto VW remote so that we can activate the ThermoTop Evo. So what we've done as part of this, we've installed the Telestart module. We've connected our computer, we have flashed the firmware on the Webasto module itself and the heater. We've connected it all up, we've paired the new remote to it, and I'm just going to very quickly run through just to show you it working all on a T6. Maybe not very exciting, but I just want to show you down in the controls there, down in there, that they're all firing up when the van's locked and all this sort of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom the camera into the heating control, so hopefully you'll be able to see that when we do our thing. Let's just move it across and focus in, and there we go. Right, so at the moment you can see that there's nothing going on here. There's no lights, there's no noise, and we're in our workshop at the moment because I want you to be able to hopefully hear through the microphone the Webasto heater firing up. It sounds like a jet engine when it takes off, and also the heaters when they go off. So what we'll do is we're firstly going to lock the vehicle, and we're locked. So everything is off in the vehicle. The car's shut down and gone to sleep, and because we've now paired this remote, what we're going to do is we're just going to blip the on button. Sorry, it's out of focus. We're going to blip it once, and then you should see the little red LED flash, and there we go. Now I can hear the Webasto's just fired up, and as we go through the process, what it's going to do, it's going to start itself up, it's going to get to temperature, and then once it's got to the right temperature, it's then going to activate all the controls inside for the heating, the direction of the fans and all that sort of stuff. So you can set that before you leave the vehicle. So I don't know if you can hear it now. It's starting to spool up. Getting louder. So whilst we're still doing it, this is still transmitting to show you that it's still on, and the red indicates that it's heating. So hopefully now it's getting quite loudly, you can hear. Really does sound like a jet engine. So this is perfect for cold mornings, if your van's covered in ice, if you don't have a front heated windshield, etc., but you have got this Webasto module basically sat in your vehicle not doing anything. It's an amazing upgrade, and you can also go from the remote to the multi-control, so you can have a timer and all that sort of stuff. So that noise you can hear now is your Webasto system fully spooling up. It's now getting to temperature. So give it a few more seconds, and then the fans and the heater matrix will start kicking in. There you go. Hopefully you've just been able to see that. We've got maximum heaters there and over here. So all that noise at the moment is your Webasto heater firing. You've got your fans pumping out hot air. I'm just feeling the heat coming out now, and it's definitely starting to feel quite warm here. Obviously you can have the different settings here, your fan speed, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, so this is the Webasto remote upgrade for the T6. You obviously have to have the Webasto system in there, and what we'll do is we'll quickly just shut the system down by, again, one quick press of this, and just zoom into focus onto that. So as you can see the Webasto remote flashing there, and we're just going to blip it off, and you'll see the lights in the background shut down. So the lights have now gone off. the heater matrix and the climate control unit shut down, and you can now start to hear the Webasto starting to spool down. And what we've noticed from our testing is that it takes about 5 minutes for it to fully shut down, because it then kicks in a cooling fan to be able to cool itself down, so it's not staying there red hot type of thing. So yeah, this is the Webasto T6 remote upgrade. Obviously check your driver's door. If you've got the Webasto sticker, then we can do it. Due to what's required in the activation and stuff like that, we do need the vehicle to come down to us here in Poole to be able to do it. So just give us a call with your chassis number, send the contact form, etc., and we'll get you nicely heating up for the winter months. Thanks for watching.